1924. That's number 25, right, everyone? Odd number from Amazon section, so guys, congratulations to you guys. RT with about 471 euros for yourself. So guys, good luck to all of you. Betting time is open, so guys, place those bets, play on autoplay right there. Welcome all the viewers. And let's get started, right? So guys, good luck to you. Betting time is closed. Let's close, everyone. So let's see those lightnings right in here. There's two lightning numbers, everyone. So 8 and 16, everyone. And there is lightning numbers 5, 10, 17, 29. 600x, guys. Good luck. That's number 10 with 50x, everyone. Congratulations. This is even number from tier section. That's one of the coldest numbers. 331 total winners, and Inger with 242 euros for yourself. Good luck, everyone. So please, those bets, please. Right now, last 2 seconds, guys. Betting time, everyone, is closed. Good luck. 15, 17, 29, guys. 15, 200x. Well, guys, there's going to be number 19 right on number from Zone section. Congratulations to you guys. 365 total winners, and Matthias with 2,000 euros for yourself, guys. So good luck. Betting time, everyone, is closed. Good luck. Okay, so right now there's going to be lighting numbers. We have 3 lighting numbers in here, so 1, 18, and 21, guys. Good luck. 18 with 700x multiplier. That's gonna be 12 right, everyone. Congratulations to all of you right there. And there's 354 total winners. Archie is the top of the minute right there. So guys, congratulations to all the winners, and betting time is open. Bet to close, everyone, so good luck. 2, 8, and 22, guys, so good luck to you. That is 3 right, everyone. Odd number from Amazon's Rush Call section. That's one of the coolest numbers. 332 winners. Zebra with 170 euros for yourself right there. So guys, good luck to all of you. Betting time is open. So right now, guys, last few seconds when we can do making the decisions. Good luck. Betting time, everyone, is closed. So good luck to you. $17.23, guys. 1,750. We have 4 black, everyone. Even number from a Zone section, and Z with 194 euros for yourself right there. So guys, good luck to all of you. Betting time, everyone, is here, so place those bets, please. Don't forget about autoplay. And let's better get started. So guys, good luck. It's closed. Good luck. Here we go. Dog in reverse. 12, 22, 23, 34. and 7 as chain numbers. Well, guys, we have number 31 black. Our number from Marvel Lane section. Congratulations to you. So Z3 with 640 euros to yourself. And overall, guys, we've been having 6 black numbers and 4 red numbers out of the last 10 rounds. And it's really nice to meet you guys. It's closed. Good luck. How are you guys feeling? So let's see those lightnings, right? Currently, guys, we have 3 lightning numbers. 16, 28, and 32, guys. Good luck. So guys, we have number 21 red on number from Amazon section. So Hume, hi, that's nice to meet you. Really, I hope you're having a great time. 384 total winners, everyone. So best of wishes to you guys. Betting time is close, everyone. So good luck to you. We have 4 lightning numbers, everyone. 1, 20, 30, and 31. Guys, good luck. Hi, could you please check the column? This one. Thank you. Okay, so guys, that's number 11, 343 total winners in our survey at 189 euros for yourself. Good luck, everyone. And we were having 5 red numbers and 5 black numbers out of the last 10 rounds. And number 10 was 8 rounds ago with a 50x multiplier. So guys, good luck to all of you. And right now, guys, there's going to be 3 lightning numbers, so 2, 7, and 8, each with a 100x multiplier. Okay, guys, so right now that's going to be number 10, black. Congratulations to all the lucky winners. Good old with 1,044 euros to yourself right there. So, guys, good luck to all. Please, those bets, everyone. And betting time is open. Good luck, guys. Soon enough, I'm going to be leaving as well. Just for you to know, guys. If that was your dream that I'm leaving, then your dream will come true. So, yeah, but I'm just joking a little bit, everyone. But not joking about some lightnings because we have number 29 and 30, guys. Good luck. So, guys, there's number 21 red on number from his own section, everyone. So, congratulations. Dan is saying enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you very much. And you too, of course. There's 370 total winners. Martin with 357 euros to yourself right there. So, guys, good luck to you. It's closed. Good luck. That's been some great money, guys. Shall we? Shall we do this? We have 3 lightnings, everyone. So there's 17, 18, and 33, guys. 17, 18, 100x. There's 22 black, everyone. Even number from his own section. Congratulations to you. So Resap with 172 euros for yourself right there. So guys, good luck and place those bets, everyone. Don't forget about how to play. Let's better get started. So good luck. Bets closed. Good luck. And right now, guys, we have 4 lightnings. 1, 9, 10, 13, 35. Good luck. number 21 red is here on number of his own section. So guys, congratulations to you. Yasser with 283 euros to yourself. So congratulations to you guys. Betting time is open. Place those bets, everyone, right now. Let's 2 seconds while we could be making those decisions. And let's do this, right? Good luck, everyone. Bets closed. Here we go. Don't forget about autoplay and straight ups as well, everyone. So right now we're having lightning numbers. 3 lightning numbers in here. So 12, 23, and 35. Guys, good luck. And right now there's 2, 3, 25 is chain numbers. That is 25 red, everyone, with 100x multiplier on number from his own section. That's one of the hottest numbers. 327 winners in Abu with 1,191 euros. Oh, genie, thanks.
Still alive. Hello, guys. My name is Jeanette. I'll be here for the next session. Whew, that's a closed. Yeah. Did you report about? Okay. Okay, ladies and gents, and it's because we're hitting this stuff all the time, no? I think so. 8, 17, 21. Yeah. Woo! Okay, 28. High and even number appears, ladies and gents. My congratulations. You're the top winner, 305 champions in Social IC. Beautiful, and it's time to move on. So hope you rolled a good luck with you. Oh, then lucky, hope so. By the way, our highest multiplier, 1000x, second highest, 600x. Today, we catch them here. Pretty perfect, huh? That's a close, let's go. Hi, multi! I wanted to, but if we will play with 100x constantly, I'm in the game. Would love to, because you have a high chance to catch 100x, yeah, every single round, well, kind of, yeah. So 4, 31, 100x and 31, double strike on the 4, baby, 600x. Let's begin. Oh my goodness, it's 4! Bam, baby! Kind of perfect start. It's 600x. Second time today. Lightning winners 167. Cheer yourself up. You're the champions here. 316 winners. Scrandalf, my dear, you just won a fortune. Camlin, you're the top winner. What a perfect start. Lucky Punch, you're more than welcome, honey. You're more than welcome. We got 600x. Awesome! Do not expect anything from anyone, and then bam, you got 600x. AMG is real as it gets. We just catch 600x. Come on, you can't complain about that. 615 and 2300x on 23. Let's move on. On my number next time, please. Okay, Dan, baby, share your numbers. Share your numbers. Oh my goodness! Do you see what I think? What is going on? I don't know, but that's a 23 with 100x on it. Odd number from tier section. Lightning winners 168. Total winners 314. How? I don't know. But while we're playing with those lights, just bet on all. I'm telling you.